Hello students, Sukriti Verma is here and I am from Meerut. I am in teaching profession from last 3 years. I teach maths and Vedic maths as well, and I am very excited to teach you. Are you excited? So, today we will learn class 8 chapter mensuration, and the topic is how to find the area of cylinder. Ready? Okay, let's get started. Look at here. This is cylinder, right? We see many things in the shape of cylinder. Many boxes in your home, many bucket in your home in the shape of cylinder. Yes or no? Yes. If we look at it, then there is two elements. One is radius of circle represented by r, and the other is height of the cylinder represented by h. Okay. So, if we look at the cylinder closely, we see that there is three parts in the cylinder. One is top circle, one is bottom circle, and the middle part circular body. I will not tell you to remember the formula. I will tell you how to derive the formula to find the area of cylinder. Exciting? Okay, be excited. Let's see. If I remove top surface and bottom surface, then I have circular body. Then it is very clear now that the area of the cylinder is area of top circle plus area of bottom circle and plus area of this circular body. Now we know that the area of circle is pi r square. But what about the area of circular body? Any guesses? For that I will show you a magic. Ready for the magic? Okay, let's get started. Okay, ready for the magic? Be ready for the magic. What is this? This is a cylinder. I have removed its top surface and bottom surface. Both the surfaces I have removed. Now I have a circular body. Now, if I cut it, be ready for the magic. It is very interesting. If I cut it, then boom. What is this? This is a rectangle. So, we saw that the area of circular body we can find easily because the circular body is nothing but a rectangle, right? And we know the area of rectangle is length into breadth, and breadth is actually equal to the height of cylinder. Yes or no? Breadth is actually equal to the height of cylinder. So it is h. What about the length? Length is nothing but the circumference of the cylinder. Length is circumference of the cylinder, and we know that the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Very good. So we have area of cylinder is area of top circle plus area of bottom circle plus area of rectangle. So area of top circle pi r square, area of bottom circle pi r square, and length into breadth. So 2 pi r multiplied by h. Now pi r square is 2 pi r square and 2 pi r h. Now we have 2 pi r square, 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r is common. So we have 2 pi r plus h. Now area of cylinder is 2 pi multiplied by radius and height. Area of cylinder is 2 pi multiplied by radius multiplied by sum of radius and height. Again 2 pi multiplied by radius multiplied by sum of radius and height. Exciting? Okay. Now the question is, why to find the area of cylinder, right? So why to find the area of cylinder? Suppose you have a box in the shape of cylinder. That is a plastic box. Okay. So how will you know that how much material has been used to make this particular box? So area of the cylinder will tell you that how much material has been used to make that box. And if you want to paste a beautiful paper on that particular box, then how much paper you need to paste on the box? Area of the cylinder will tell you that how much paper you need to paste on the box. Exciting? Okay. So we have learned how the cylinder looks, what is the area of cylinder, how to derive the formula, and what is the use to find the area of cylinder, right? Now the most essential part, and that is practice time. So are you ready for the practice? Let's start. Okay. If the radius of the cylinder is 7 centimeter and its height is 23 centimeter, then find out its area. There is a cylinder. The radius is 7 centimeter and the height is 23 centimeter. Now the area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi multiplied by radius multiplied by sum of radius and height, right? So 2 pi value 22 upon 7, r value 7 and r plus h, that is 7 plus 23. Now 7 cancel out the 7. Now 2 into 22 becomes 44 and 7 cancelled out. So 7 plus 23, 30. Now 44 into 30, 3 4 ja 12, 1 3 4 ja 12, 13. So 1320 centimeter square. Interesting. So if we paste a paper on this particular box, then we need 1320 centimeter square paper. Okay. So it is very interesting. Whenever you will have a box in your home in the shape of cylinder, you can immediately find out that how much paper you need to paste on it, that how much material has been used to make that box. Right or wrong? Right? Okay. So now the last thing, and that is your homework. What is that? That is, you will find a box in your home in the shape of cylinder and you will measure its radius and height with the scale, and you will find out its area and tell me tomorrow that how much area of that particular box. Okay? Okay. So bye bye, take care, see you in the next lecture.